gagawin tayo. Thank you bro, salamat. May kukunin na ako ng mga gamit dito kay Netoy. Ayan siya, balot na balot oh. Ah, dumi pa rin. Ayan. Gotcha. Kamustahin lang natin saglit si Netoy kasi hindi rin tayo dito mag-stay na matagal. Yun o. Tapos may isi-share ako sa inyo. Kung naalala nyo, around 6 months ago, may pinakita ko sa inyo mga solar panel, tas inverter. Ikukwento ko sa inyo kung ano yung napakalupit na experience ko for the past 6 months. What's up? Sa mga bago lang dito, ako si Johnny Ingero at welcome kayo sa channel. At para sa video na to, meron tayong pag-uusapan. Meron akong i-share sa inyo na real, legit at months long experience ko sa paggamit ng MG6RL powered by Sungrow. At kung iniisip nyo na sulit ba talaga siya sa tipid kuryente, sa brownouts, at sa super init na weather dito sa Pilipinas, well guys, this is the video that you've been waiting for. Let's go! Okay, unang-una, pag-usapan natin yung pinaka-favorite topic ng lahat, yung pagtitipid ng kuryente. Alam naman natin, every month, parang surprise quiz ang Meralco bill. Pero guys, simula nung pinakabit ko yung MG6RL, ibang level. Tingnan nyo to. Kung napanood nyo yung unang video nung kinabit yung MG6RL, bandang kalagitnaan ng July yun. So kung itong reading na to ng July is medyo mataas pa dahil kalahati niyan, meron na tayong MG6RL. Kaya bahagya na siyang bumaba from June. Pero pagdating ng August, doon na talaga ramdam yung epekto ng MG6RL. Tingnan yung August and September. Ito palang bill na to is October, hindi siya updated. So wala pa yung November and December. Yung bandang October, medyo malakas ang ulan, bihirang-bihira umaraw. Pero kita nyo naman, no, ang baba pa rin compared sa naging reading niya nung bandang June. So eto, may MG6RL na tayo dito. Actually, ang maganda dito, hindi mo kailangan magbago ng lifestyle or magtipid ng sobra. MG6RL lang and boom! Mababa yung bill. And next, usapang brownout. At kung Pilipino ka, alam mo na to. Sa tanghali pa talaga nawawala yung kuryente. Sobrang init, tirik yung araw, tapos may ginagawa ka pa. Pero nung nangyari yung brownout recently, guess what? Yung mga appliances ng mga kapitbahay namin, namatay. Natural brownout nga eh. Pero tuloy-tuloy na iniingatan ng MG6RL yung mga appliances namin at hindi talaga sila naapektuhan. Dito ko talaga na-appreciate itong inverter eh. Kasi hindi siya nagpapanik, hindi siya umiinit ng sobra, at tuloy-tuloy siya nagbibigay ng stable na full power. Literal na lifesaver, lalo na kung may bata, kung may pets, at kung nag-work from home ka. So yun na, typical Pinoys. Kahit mainit, kape. Tara, kape tayo. Alam nyo naman dito sa Pilipinas, summer kahit hindi summer, but even during the hottest days of the past months, as in 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., yung sobrang init, yung tipong halos natutunaw yung batok mo sa sobrang init, MG6RL stayed super stable. Hindi siya nagda-down, hindi siya nagde-derate, hindi siya nagloloko. Kung baga habang ako nalulusaw sa sobrang init, si MG6RL chill na chill lang. Papakita ko sa inyo yung iSolar Cloud app. Tara! At isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga, itong iSolar Cloud app, guys, sobrang convenient. Ang mga pwede mong i-check, daily power production, status ng system, real-time performance, nandito lahat yan eh. Hindi mo kailangan maging engineer or tech expert, kahit sino kaya. At kung may gusto kang i-monitor habang nasa mall ka or nasa biyahe, isang swipe lang yan. At bilang pinakaunang may-ari ng Sungrow MG6RL na kinabit dito sa Pilipinas, madalas akong kontakin ng Sungrow team para humihingi sila sa akin ng feedback. At para mas maging maganda rin yung experience sa mga customers nila, regular silang nagsasagawa ng maintenance and inspection. At buwibisita sila dito, kaya yung pinakalas na visit nila, nagtanong na rin ako ng mga bagay na baka interesado rin kayo. Ganito yung nangyari. Sir, good day. Good day.
Yeah, I'm Talon from Sangro.
Sir Talon
Nice
from
to meet
Sangro.
you.
And
Gerald, sir.
Sir Gerald, my name is John.
Oh.
Thank you very much for visiting me here. Before installing this system, I actually had two major concerns. The first concern is, during the evening peak hours, I always afraid to use electricity freely. And my second concern is, the impact of power outages during extreme weather in the Philippines. What were the most typical and common pain points that household users face regarding their electricity usage?
As in the Philippines, some remote areas, the power grid is not very stable.
Yeah.
So that means sometimes maybe the typhoon will break the power grid.
Based on the pain points that we've discussed, from a product perspective, when you first designed the residential storage system, what were the core problems you most hope to solve for household users?
Sungrow MG6RL inverters can seamlessly switch in less than 4 milliseconds.
Wow.
So you can work at home, you can have your Wi-Fi and lights on without any interruption. The MG6RL inverters are designed to withstand up to 45 degrees Celsius without derating and still operating at rated power.
If this system is going to operate at home for 10 years or even longer when problems occur, who is responsible and how is it supported in terms of long-term operation, after-sales service, remote monitoring, and local support? What specific guarantees does Sungrow provide to users and partners? What are the concrete advantages?
So right now, Sungrow offers 10-year warranty.
10 years?
Yes,
Yeah.
for
Wow, that's very
MG6RL.
long. 10
Yeah.
years.
And we have a local team here to support the troubleshooting and maintenance. And right now we have a service center in Manila. And right now for our local warehouses, we have one in Laguna, one in Cebu, and one in Davao to offer minimal downtime with the replacing of these inverters. And lastly, for our Sungrow systems, it always comes with the iSolar Cloud monitoring app,
Yes.
monitoring your power flow, your system. And as installers, you can use it to troubleshoot, check the faults, adjust your settings.
We have
That's
local
great.
warehouse,
Yes.
local workshop, and local after-sale team.
Thank you very much for answering my questions and thank you for your time. Para sa maraming tahanan, alam naman natin kung gaano kainit ang summer dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi dapat basta gumagana lang ang isang residential storage system. Dapat kaya nitong mag-operate ng maayos at matibay sa mahabang panahon kahit sa sobrang init. Base sa mga naging experiment, makikita natin na mas matibay at mas stable ang Sungrow sa parehong matinding temperature kumpara sa ibang product. Yung isang system, unti-unting bumababa ang output power habang tumatagal. Habang yung isa, ang Sungrow unit na nakikita nyo ngayon, nananatiling malapit sa rated power nito at hindi bumababa ang performance. Para sa akin, simple lang ang ibig sabihin nito. Kahit sa pinakamainit at pinakamahirap na oras, tuloy-tuloy na sinusuportahan ng Sungrow ang kuryente sa bahay namin. Ngayon kung bakit ko pinili itong Sungrow, simple lang. Isa sa most trusted renewable brands in the world, proven reliability, thoughtful product feature design, and consistent innovation. Hindi sila yung tipo ng brand na pangayon lang. They are clearly here for the long run. Ito, real talk. After months of use, wala akong naging issue. Napakatahimik, very efficient, and honestly speaking, ang ganda ng design. Tara, pakita ko sa inyo. Alam niyo yung mga inverter na parang industrial machine? Ito hindi. Maganda tignan, malinis, parang premium gadget. Parang pwede mo nga i-display sa sala eh. Ganun siya ka-sleek. Another thing I appreciate is Sungrow's direction. Hindi sila tumitigil kung ano meron sila ngayon eh. Lagi silang nag-i-innovate, naglalabas ng mas efficient, mas smart, at mas useful friendly na solutions. At yung commitment nila is really para sa atin, the end users. Mas reliable power, mas clean energy, at mas tipid sa kuryente. So after months of real-world use, brownouts, heat waves, and actual testing, masasabi ko na ang MG6RL is definitely worth it. So kung gusto mo ng tipid, peace of mind, at reliable performance kahit sobrang init, this is definitely one of the best choices out there. If may questions kayo, drop them sa comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. This is John Ingero. See you again on the next one. Peace.